Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car was wrapped at some point, so we will see some little leftover pieces on some of the jambs, and I'll try to notate those. But here on this wheel, looks really good. I don't see any curb rash anywhere. You have some yellow calipers, there's some rock chips, and there's some red underneath. So I don't know if these were red at some point, but the rest of the caliper looks good. Here on the fender, we do have full front clip PPF, so full front bumper, headlights, full fender, full hood. There are some scuffs on that PPF. I don't think they impacted the paint by any means. The rest of that looks good. See a little scuff on the PPF right here. It's going to be hard to see in camera, I think. And then a couple chips right there on the edge. And I see a scratch. So when they did the vinyl wrap, it looks like the razor blade caught the edge on some spots. So I see a piece right here. And then when we look underneath the mirror, you can see that little scratch right there. And then right here, you can see that scratch where they just kind of nicked the clear, and same right here. And then you can see the leftover wrap underneath, but that does catch my nail right there. Got the forged carbon on the mirrors. The mirrors look gorgeous. Making our way down the door. You're going to see some leftover wrap under the handle here. There's a scratch right there where the blade caught it. And then there's a chip right there. And then a scratch here. And then on the top of the piece right there is a chip. Looking at that door edge, looks good. That section looks clean. Got a rock chip here, rock chip there. And we got a small scuff here. It looks like it's only in the clear, very minor. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks amazing. The caliper does have a couple chips. There's a scratch right there where the red is showing through. And then you got the forged carbon here on this lower side. From what I see here, all of that looks amazing. And then looking at the front, starting with the lower splitter. Now it does have some damage right here, as well as the corner here, but we are gonna have that repaired. So they're gonna sand that down, fill it, and re-clear. And with it being forged carbon, I think it'll blend in really well. And so you do have that spot there. Like I said, full front clip PPF. Now you're going to have some rock impacts, and keep in mind this had vinyl wrap on it as well, so that protected this paint. Got a couple tiny scuffs on that film. That headlight looks amazing. Looking across this hood, trying to find any imperfections I can find. See a really small impact on the film. I don't think it impacted the paint though. This edge is lifting just a hair on the film. I do see a chip right here. I think that did impact the paint. You have a small one here, and then a small one there. Otherwise, this front end does look really, really good. Nice and clean. Full PPF in here. I don't see any flaws that stand out. Like I said, we're repairing those 2 sections there. That forged carbon looks good. And then all of that looks amazing. Looking here under the hood, all of that looks good. You have your owner's manual here. All the plastics look nice. And then looking at the back, you can see all of the forged carbon here. I'm going to get up close here and look for any imperfections that we can find. Now here on the taillight, it is cracked. So you have a crack right here. The rest of the light looks good. So far the spoiler looks good. Looking at this taillight, that one looks perfect. You can see some adhesive is left over around these sensors. So that right there, some texture or some adhesive from that vinyl. I'm trying to get underneath here and look. I don't see any damage on that diffuser. And then you do have some damage here. It looks like this is cracked on that third brake light. That or some sort of flaw in it, but I think it's cracked. See a couple spots on the black here from maybe some bird poop kind of etched into the paint. And I see some cracking right there and right there on that trim. So I'm going to double check this side just in case. Yeah, that trim is good. So the crack is on the right one here. I don't see any other flaws. Okay, now looking at the back left wheel. I don't see any curb rash. And looking at the caliper, you're gonna see some red kind of peeking through there. You see some cracks in this section in that yellow paint. Looking at the quarter panel, that looks good. This upper side's clean. Here on the forged carbon, you can see the kind of weather stripping that attached it to this component is cracking right there. And you're going to have a couple rock impacts on that section. That door edge is good. There is a little scratch right there on the corner. And you can see some of that kind of teal color peeking through around the handles. And then I see a couple razor blade scratches right there on that lower section. And a little one here. And then you can see some paint chipped off right there. But everything else looks good on the door. I didn't see any scratches around the mirror like the other side had. There is a scratch right there. And then, like I said, full PPF here on the front. You can see some of that teal kind of peeking through. And then here on the front left wheel, There's a couple scuffs on that spoke there. Other than that, everything else looks perfect. Okay, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and it looks really, really nice. All this Alcantara is perfect. All of these buttons look amazing. I don't see any flaws here. And that lower section looks good. That trim looks good. This was ceramic coated at some point. You got the Ceramic Pro there. Here on the Alcantara, it's not matted down. I do see a little scuff right there though. A little imperfection here. Here on the seats, that bolster looks amazing. A little bit of wear here, but otherwise that looks clean. And then right here on the edge, you have a little bit of wear from the seat belt. And then I see a couple really small stains on the bottom, but you can see all of that Alcantara looks amazing. All these buttons look good. 14,000 miles. Here on the upper side of the dash, I don't see any flaws that stand out. And then all of this looks good. This side looks amazing. Here on the right door panel, that looks amazing. Kick plate area looks good. Here on the seats, I do see a little stain right there and right here. The edge looks amazing. The rest of that seat looks awesome. Got all the forged carbon here, looks good. All that Alcantara is nice and clean. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. All of this looks good. Now when we look in the jam, you're going to see some of that teal colored wrap left over. And then you're going to see it here in the door. So this was a full color change, which protected that paint though, because this paint is gorgeous. That jam looks good.